Hey everyone, I just wanted to take a minute to talk about the SnoreLess Pillow. Yes, I do snore at night, and my husband was telling me that it was becoming so annoying, so I looked into mouthpieces, pills, and even surgery. But then I tried SnoreLess Pillow, and it actually made me stop snoring, and I have way better sleep too. I really doubted it at first, but I read so many good reviews on this, and I'm so glad I went ahead and bought it. I don't have to worry about snoring anymore. It takes probably 2 to 3 nights to get used to it, but after that it fits perfectly with your head. Just click the link below. That's the same SnoreLess pillow that I bought, and it arrived super fast. So check it out and let me know what you think.